Tech Mahindra Q3 FY26 results, profit growth, margin expansion or strong deal wins explained. Tech Mahindra's Q3 FY26 results mark an important phase of stabilization and gradual recovery for the company after several quarters of margin pressure and uneven growth. For the quarter ended Q3 FY26, Tech Mahindra reported consolidated revenue of approximately 14,400 crore rupees. Revenue growth was positive on a year-on-year basis and also showed sequential stability, indicating that the company is holding ground despite ongoing caution among enterprise clients. Growth was largely driven by digital engineering services, cloud transformation, and managed services engagements across key geographies. In constant currency terms, revenue growth remained steady, suggesting that business momentum was supported by underlying demand rather than currency movements. North America and Europe continued to be the largest contributors to revenue, while emerging markets maintained stable performance. From a vertical perspective, the enterprise segment showed gradual improvement, supported by demand in manufacturing, BFSI, healthcare, and technology clients. The communication segment, which had been under pressure for multiple quarters, showed early signs of stabilization as telecom clients cautiously resumed spending on network modernization and operational efficiency projects. Profitability was one of the key positives in Q3 FY26. Tech Mahindra reported a consolidated net profit of around 1,120 crore rupees, representing strong year-on-year growth. Sequential profit growth was impacted by certain one-time costs related to compliance and workforce restructuring, which management clarified as non-recurring in nature. Operating performance improved meaningfully during the quarter. EBIT margins expanded on a year-on-year basis, reflecting the benefits of cost optimization initiatives, improved utilization rates, better offshore delivery mix, and tighter control over subcontracting expenses. The company reiterated that margin improvement remains a strategic priority and that further operational levers are being actively pursued. A major highlight of the quarter was the sharp rebound in deal wins. Tech Mahindra reported new deal wins with a total contract value exceeding $1 billion United States dollars in Q3 FY26. This marked a significant improvement compared to both the previous quarter and the same period last year, indicating improved pipeline conversion and stronger client engagement. These deal wins were well diversified across industries such as telecom, BFSI, healthcare, manufacturing, and technology. Several contracts were multi-year in nature and focused on digital transformation, AI-enabled operations, cloud migration, and managed services, which improves medium-term revenue visibility. Cash flow generation remained healthy during the quarter. Strong operating cash flows and disciplined working capital management helped the company maintain a solid balance sheet position. This financial strength provides Tech Mahindra with flexibility to continue investing in strategic growth areas, including AI, data platforms, and next-generation engineering capabilities. On the people front, employee headcount remained broadly stable during Q3 FY26. Attrition levels showed signs of moderation, reflecting easing pressure in the talent market. The company continued to focus on reskilling and upskilling employees in high-growth digital technologies to align workforce capabilities with future demand. Management commentary during the earnings call reflected cautious optimism. While clients continue to scrutinize discretionary spending, Tech Mahindra noted early signs of stabilization in decision-making cycles. The focus remains on improving deal quality, execution rigor, and profitability rather than pursuing aggressive volume-led growth. Strategically, the company continues to sharpen its positioning around digital engineering, telecom transformation, AI-led services, and enterprise modernization. These focus areas are expected to drive sustainable growth as global technology spending gradually normalizes. Looking ahead, investors will closely monitor the conversion of the strong deal pipeline into revenue, further margin expansion after normalization of one-time costs, recovery trends in the communications vertical, and sustained demand for digital services. Overall, Tech Mahindra's Q3 FY26 results reflect a company that is moving past a challenging phase and steadily rebuilding momentum through improved execution, stronger deal wins, and disciplined financial management.